Hey everybody, it's Sean here bringing you another how-to video. Today we're going to be installing the Stubby Shorty antenna from CravenSpeed on a 2016 and newer Mazda MX-5 Miata. This example happens to be a 2020 in the RF configuration with the GT or Grand Touring trim. And let's take a look at this massive factory antenna. And I'll be honest guys, I'm really excited about this very easy, quick mod, but I think it's really gonna make the rear of this car much more attractive. This thing looks like an RC car antenna right now, if I'm being honest. So here is the Stubby from CravenSpeed. And I'll just first make a comment on the quality of this thing. This is a solid aluminum piece, has some real weight to it, and I think is gonna be a great addition to my MX-5. So this is a good comparison of approximately where this guy will mount and what it will look like. So a good inch or more, about an inch and a half, shorter than just the base stem of the stock antenna, and then of course gets rid of this massive whip here. So I was considering other options. First I'll start the removal process. We're just gonna unscrew the factory antenna by turning it counterclockwise. But I was considering some other options. There's some other Stubbies, Shorty antennas on eBay that are a little cheaper than the Stubby from CravenSpeed, I'll be honest. But I think just the reputation and the quality was worth spending $5-10 more on a real brand and a good part. I did actually reach out to some other 4th gen ND Miata owners that had bought the cheap eBay ones, and they said their reception was significantly reduced, especially the HD channels. So I decided to elect for the Stubby here. I'm not gonna crank that on too much. Maybe just go a little bit tighter and allow that the Stubby logo to be facing rearward. I'm sure you could get away with however you wanted to orient that thing, but anyway, I can already tell the look much cleaner. I can't speak to the reception quality yet, of course, but from everything I've read, it sounds like it is pretty solid, pretty strong, and admittedly, I use Bluetooth or Android Auto most of the time anyway. So again, this is just a quick how-to video on replacing the factory antenna, and in my case I've replaced it with the Stubby from CravenSpeed. Hope all is well. Hope this video might be able to help and just give you an idea of exactly what that looks like compared to the original. See how much bigger that guy is. And of course, please like and subscribe for more how-to videos on your ND Miata. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.